Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to use Edits by Meta. So Edits is the Instagram application developed by Meta which allows you to edit the videos. So if you want to use it, simply launch up an Edits application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can simply log in with your Instagram account in Edit. Simply log in with your Instagram account and you'll be logged into your account. You can see over here, from here you'll be able to access the options like notifications, account, content preferences, help, about, etc. Let's go back. Now initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface you'll be able to see the stickies, saved and collections. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. If you tap on the second icon, you'll be able to see the inspiration over here. If you tap on the middle icon, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all of your drafts and projects over here. You can also create the new project from here. If you tap on this option, you can see over here you'll be able to record. Likewise, if you tap on this option, you'll be able to see the insights over here. So for example, if you want to edit the video, simply tap on this icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen at middle. Now tap on the plus icon. Now you can see over here you'll be able to add the media over here. Simply add the medias that you want to add. Tap on the right icon. Now you can see over here that particular media will be added. Now at bottom you'll be able to find several options like audio, text, voice, captions, overlay, sound, cutout and sticker. If you want to add the sticker, tap on the option sticker. Now you'll be able to add the stickers over here. Simply tap on the sticker of your choice. You can also choose the length of the sticker. Simply drag it like this and the length will be chosen. Likewise, you'll be able to add the audio. Simply tap on the audio that you want to add. Likewise, you'll also be able to add the text, voice, captions, overlay, etc. Explore these options. They are very simple to use. After you're done editing, tap on the export option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to export the video. Wait for a while and the video will be exported and saved in your gallery. So like this, you'll be able to export the video too. So this is the basic guide for using the Edits app. So that is how you use Edits by Meta. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.